Today, we're looking at a car that doesn't just represent a brand, it redefines it. Welcome to the 2026 Cadillac Celestiq, a handcrafted electric flagship that's not just competing with Rolls-Royce and Bentley, it's coming for the crown. The Celestiq is pure presence. It doesn't whisper luxury, it shouts it in a silent, electric way. Long, low, and impossibly sleek, this thing stretches over 18 feet in length with a commanding fastback silhouette. You've got a light-up crystal grille, futuristic lighting animations, and 23-inch forged wheels that look like they belong on a concept car, not something you can actually buy. But this? Oh, it's real. And it's hand-built. Step inside, and it's like entering a private first-class suite on 4 wheels. The Celestiq doesn't just offer luxury, it offers custom luxury. Every Celestiq is bespoke, crafted to your taste, down to the stitching, materials, and even the finish of the metal accents. Up front, a 55-inch pillar-to-pillar display dominates the dash. You get 5 interactive screens throughout the cabin, and the panoramic glass roof. It's segmented and adjustable, each passenger can control their own section's tint level. And in the back, it's no less premium. Think reclining chairs, touch displays, and materials that feel like they were imported from a yacht. Now, don't let the elegant looks fool you, the Celestiq has serious muscle underneath that sleek body. Powered by GM's Ultium platform, it delivers an estimated 600 horsepower and 640 lb-ft of torque through a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup. 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds, with the silence of an EV and the grace of a limo. The air suspension reads the road in real time, and rear-wheel steering makes this yacht of a car handle like a sports sedan. With over 300 miles of range and fast charging capability, the Celestiq isn't just luxury, it's practical innovation wrapped in a $300,000 experience. The 2026 Cadillac Celestiq is more than a flagship, it's a message. A signal that American luxury has returned, and it's not here to follow trends, it's here to set them. Would you take the Celestiq over a Rolls-Royce Spectre or Bentley Flying Spur? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more deep dives into the future of luxury and performance.